I bought myself a camera. Yes, I did. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Magdala, and today I'm super excited. I got myself a new camera. Okay, I've been wanting to get one forever now, and I finally saved enough to get it, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. Without further ado, let's get started. I got the Sony ZV-E10. Let's open it. So inside it obviously has all the instructions, protection plan. This is the interchangeable lens digital camera. Again, it's the ZV-E10, which I'm super excited. I started filming on the Sony, I think 5100, and funny story, I bought it off Facebook Marketplace for like 200 bucks. So it was super cheap. And the only reason I'm thinking of changing is because the 51 does not have a microphone input, so that's why a lot of my videos have been closed up, so I can give you guys some good quality. But no more, because I got me a camera, right? Alright, this is the battery that it comes with, or the block, I guess. This is what it looks like. This is the little fluffy thingy. It's the sound pop remover, I think, and it's white, so I love it. It looks so cute, and it has the cord, of course, which I probably won't use, but it's nice that it has it. This is the battery. It also came with a USB cord. And finally, the camera. Guys, this is the camera. Obviously I got it in white because I just thought it was like super chic, super nice. Again, the lens can be removed, which I love, so when I'm ready to update lenses I don't have to worry about it. It has this little thing that I actually really like because you can hold the camera like that. Hopefully this battery is charged. Pop it off. I think it's dead. I had a feeling. I was just like, since the battery is not charged, I wonder if my old camera battery will fit, and it did fit. Let's see if it powers on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna turn it on. I'm being so gentle with this camera. It's okay. It did turn on, so it's basically just asking me the language. Obviously I'm gonna choose English, not obviously because I do speak other languages, humble brag, but I'm just gonna pick English. So the first one, I have to set the area, setting, and time. Let's see, I don't even know how to do that, honestly. Oh, Denver, Arizona. Boom. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take the QR code. It's just basically an iCloud, I guess, for Sony, but I am not gonna do that yet because so I'm gonna just say okay, and then it started. It's telling me that it has low light, and also it has no card. This is what I look like. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like look at this. This is crazy. I look so clear right now. I'm filming super early in the morning with just a ring light, so this is just the camera and a ring light. I don't have any special setting. I just have it on intelligent mode. The ISO is at, it keeps on changing, which is awesome. So like it'll go from 800 to 400 and whatever, and then the shutter speed is also changing by itself because the camera is literally adapting to my background, to my movement, which is awesome. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell because your girl got a new camera. Let me know if you want me to do any more in-depth tutorial or review on it, because I will. Okay, so let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.